Hello YouTube viewers, Richard here from Balham Parkway. Just a little shout out really for the Great Model Railway Challenge. I hope you're enjoying the show so far. I really am enjoying the show. I think there's been some great modelling and every competitor's done a good job so far. Just a little shout out that we're on tomorrow night, Friday October the 4th at 8 PM Channel 5. Our team's called Who's Counting Rivets. Cheer us on and enjoy the show. Okay, I'll do some more updates eventually on Balham Parkway in the next month or so. Until then, just enjoy the show. Thank you. Bye bye.